KRAKATAO. Yes, check out these. What kind of lines, alignments we had like 1883 before this August 26th, 27th, 1883. KRAKATAO. Yes, this is like May 22nd, 1883. And there was line Moon, Earth and Saturn. And later, after 2 weeks, again, straight line where is Moon, Earth and Neptune. Also there was Mars and Venus before that. White straight line with this also with Mars and Venus. But with Saturn, extremely straight line. 1883 June. You can look in Mars, Venus and Neptune, and there's coming. We can check out the Saturn line, how straight it was, and it was very straight lines. And this Neptune and Saturn works together, just like 2024 year ending and January and February also. Strong activation with Saturn and Neptune, but also with Mars, like 1883 also Mars with Earth and Moon, straight lines, but same happening in January and February with Earth, Moon and Mars. Mars was behind Moon, straight behind Moon, like February 9 and January 14. And Earth was between Moon and Mars, straight between Moon and Mars, 28th January. And these same kind of lines, 1883, before Krakatau, volcano Krakatoa, there was this kind of strong activation with this kind of dark energy, what physicists don't understand, you know. And just remember this Neptune and Saturn together, only one day, and same kind of activation with Saturn after Neptune, Earth and Moon. And there was straight lines also with this planet. There was other planets also like Mars and Venus, but this Saturn and Neptune, there is straight line Saturn, Moon and Earth. So Saturn might be behind Moon, like 1883 July 1st. And after that there's coming these other planets also. You can see Mars, with Mars this line was very straight also, like July 1st, yes, straight line, almost extremely straight line. Yeah, there was a lot of this kind of same kind of activation what happening like 2024 year ending and January and February 2025. These kind of very straight lines. And when you have a straight line, these dark energy particles can move through each other's again and again, and there is a strong activation and expansion, and that's why this dark energy, it's not going so much through Earth. It can collide with Earth nuclear of atoms, you know, this dark energy. July 16, 1883, also straight line with Moon, Earth and Saturn. And that's why I think there is explanation why Santorinis have like 15,000 earthquakes in 3 weeks. And Caribbean very active, meaning, and also these volcanoes, Hawaii, Iceland, Kilau, Etna, Santorini, Neptune and Saturn together. Only one day, first Neptune and after that Saturn. And like now we have July 28th, there is very straight line where is Neptune, Earth and Moon. And August 10, now we have August 10, and this line it's not so straight with Saturn, but with Neptune it is extremely straight, you know. you can see Earth is exactly between Moon and maybe not exactly yet, but later I think it's coming. Next time it's straight, very straight line, and this line with Saturn, it's not anymore exactly straight, but still quite straight, like August. But now you can check out few days before this Krakatau, you can see Moon is exactly behind. Neptune is exactly behind Moon. You see, Earth, Moon, and Neptune, very straight lines 2 days before Krakatau, and after 1 day, straight lines with Earth, Moon, and Saturn. Saturn not so straight with Neptune, but this was very straight line. And there was this dark energy activation going strong way, you know. You should check out these lines, and you can find out this correlation with earthquakes and volcano activism, and also heavy rains and floods, you know. Heavy rains and floods works also, like October 24, Valencia, heavy rains and floods. There was these lines with Moon, Earth, and Saturn, and Moon, Earth, and Neptune. Extremely straight lines, 2 days. 2 days, extremely straight lines, you know. And you can see also, we can check out if there was something very special kind of activation, where is like some gas planet, Sun, and Earth. And there was, like a July, I think it was July, yes, July 2nd. After that, we had these lines that Jupiter was exactly behind Sun, and there was very strong activation with dark energy, because this Sun energy can activate this dark energy which coming from Jupiter, and that's why these planets can work hard when they are exactly behind Sun. If this dark energy moving through Sun and coming that way where is Earth, there is strong activation with dark energy. And there was July 1883, this kind of strong activation with Jupiter dark energy, because Sun works hard with this dark energy which coming that way where Earth was July 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, you know. And yes, there was also Mars very straight line, July, you know, I think. This is something what you should make science. If you want to make science, you can find out something what change whole picture of universe. Like this model on atoms, it's changed in big way, because I think it is not space which expanding. Nuclei of atoms expanding and recycling, expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. Center of atoms, there is this kind of traffic areas where expanding energy was where expanding energy is more density, and that's why these expanding traffic areas can recycling expanding energy and pushing each other's away, same way what they expanding, you know, and that's the way it's going. Let's check out this August 24th and 25th, few days before Krakatau, which happening like 26th, 27th August 1883. This is historical video. You can tell your friends where you was, and when you look in this video. Now we change whole picture of universe. This is going to be huge thing, I think. Yes, this is going to change whole picture of universe. It is not space which expanding, you know. Expanding galaxies was born centered to outside with any kind of attraction forces and without pulling force and without curving space. We don't need this kind of hocus pocus space-time which play tricks. No way. Space is eternal and infinite 3-dimensional stage, which is nothing, and only losers explain phenomena with this kind of hocus pocus space-time which play tricks. expanding galaxies was born very quickly centered to outside. First was born these expanding supermassive concentrations with own three-dimensional big bangs, and this expanding supermassive concentration emits trillions expanding dark matter particles, and there was born very quickly new expanding stars like from nothing, but of course it was not from nothing because there is these expanding dark matter particles. Just Google Savorinen, I tell you, Google Savorinen, Uusi Suomi blogi, Facebook, more information how universe really works. Okay, cheers!